Welcome! In front of me I have GARETT Tina smart band, and I'm gonna show you how to turn off this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by pressing on the touch sensitive button right here at the bottom of the screen. Once you wake up the screen, press on the button repeatedly to scroll through the menu, like this. Find the function menu, and once you find it, or rather not menu, function option, once you find it, press and hold on this touch sensitive button to enter. Then scroll through the menu by tapping on the button again. Find the off option, and once you find it, press and hold on the touch sensitive button to confirm and turn off your smart band. And that's how you turn off this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.